actually feels really good to share. Fizzy Fun House! Oh, I'm so hungry! I can't wait to eat my peanut butter and jelly sandwich! Not so fast! Freya, come back here! Oh no! I'm so hungry! Oh, Phoebe, what's wrong? I was about to eat my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Yeah? And then 3-Eye took my sandwich. Oh no! 3-Eye is not very good at sharing. Yeah, and I'm so hungry. Well, Phoebe, I have an idea. What is it, Fizzy? Let's have a barbecue! Yay! And invite 3-Eye. What? That's right. Maybe we can teach 3-Eye how to share. Oh, that's a great idea. Time for some Fizzy magic. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bubbuzzy, Bop. Ooh, cool barbecue grill, Fizzy. Thanks, Phoebe. Now, let's get cooking. But first, we need a hand from Miss Hands.
Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands, and I'm going to put this barbecue grill together. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take the metal grate out. Okay, good. It looks like we have charcoal in here already. So I'll put this right back inside. Let's hang up our red and white utensils. This is a spoon, and this is a spatula, and a fork. And there's a yellow shelf back here for food. We have ketchup, but it needs the label. Inside of ketchup, there are tomatoes. Let's go ahead and put our label on the ketchup bottle. Perfect! Now we can put it on the shelf. Can you guess what's in this white jug? It's milk! Let's put the milk label on the white jug. Just like that. And we can put the milk right here too. We can cook food up top here and down here as well. Fizzy, I think it's time to get cooking. Yes, it's time to get cooking with Fizzy! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bubbuzzy, Bop! Wow, Fizzy, that's a lot of food!
Well, Phoebe said she was hungry. Whoa! I'm not gonna be hungry after we eat all this food. Let's get cooking.
It looks like we have these gray skewers. And we can use them to make kebabs or to cook our vegetables. Look, we have yellow corn right here. We'll put 1, 2, 3 pieces of corn on there. And we'll put it on the grill, but we're not turning on the grill just yet because we have more vegetables to cook. We have sweet potatoes. Here's 1 piece on here, 2 pieces on here, and 3 pieces on here. It's going on the grill. We can also put this red hot dog on the grill and this brown steak on the grill. Let's go ahead and turn on the grill. Wow, did you see the fire in the grill? We're going to turn everything over so we cook it on both sides. I'll flip over the steak and the hot dog. Okay, time to cook this side. I think it's all done. We'll put our corn on here and our sweet potatoes.
Hey, Phoebe, do you want to have some corn and sweet potatoes? Yes, I do.
Okay, Phoebe, here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, all done.
And now some corn.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. That was delicious. Steak, please.
Okay, Phoebe, here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. That was so good. And hot dog, please.
Phoebe, I like the way you say please. Here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So delicious.
So, Phoebe, are you full now?
No, I can eat some more.
Okay, let's get cooking. We have a crab. We can cook that. A lobster and shrimp. This kind of food is seafood.
Is it seafood because I see it and I eat it?
No, it's seafood because it's all from the sea.
Oh, okay.
Here's more seafood. It's fish. And we're gonna cook more food down here. We have these sausages and chicken. Okay, let's start cooking. exciting! Our chicken's done! We can see that it's been cooked. And let's check the sausage. It has also changed color. Look, it's been cooked.
Sausage, please.
Okay, Phoebe.
Jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam, jam. And chicken, please.
Here you go, Phoebe.
Jam, 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 jam. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I think I'm gonna let the crab and the lobster cool off for a while. And I can't eat them the way they are because they have shells on them.
That's right, Phoebe. This crab has a shell. And you can crack the shell off to get to the meat. The shrimp even has a little shell on it. The fish, it does not have a shell on it. It has scales on it. And the lobster has a shell too. The shell is also called an exoskeleton. That means the skeleton, or the bones, are on the outside of the animal.
Their bones are on the outside of them?
Yeah, Phoebe.
But people have bones on the inside.
That's right.
All right, let's cook some more food.
Okay, we can make bread, and we have French fries. We also have purple eggplant and an orange carrot. We also have an egg and a potato. Okay, let's cook everything.
Yes, it is. I think it's all done.
I think so too, Fizzy. Would you like some?
Yes, can I have some French fries?
Here you go, Fizzy.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. And can I have eggplant?
Yes, Fizzy, here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. And can I have an egg?
Of course, Fizzy, here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. So delicious. And how about that carrot?
Okay, Fizzy, here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Delicious. I'll save the rest for Phoebe. Yeah, because, I'm still hungry.
Phoebe, you are what we call a bottomless pit.
What does that mean?
It means you're so hungry we can't even fill up your tummy with lots of food. Here's a big piece of bread.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. So yummy.
Some French fries.
Yum, 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 yum. Delicious French fries.
And one big giant potato.
I can eat the whole thing. Ba, ba, ba. Delicious. Now, do we have any fruit?
Yes, let's go ahead and close up our grill for now. We have a lemon, but I don't think you want to eat this. We also have a yellow banana. Ooh, this looks like a star fruit. It's green. Here's a yellow pear, and I can cut it in half. One piece for you, and one piece for Fizzy. And we also have an egg.
Silly Miss Hands, an egg is not fruit.
Oh, that's right, Phoebe. We have grapes. Are grapes fruit, Phoebe?
Why, yes indeed. Grapes are fruit and delicious.
Okay, let me cut the grapes in half. So we have 2 pieces. One for Phoebe and one for Fizzy.
I bet after this, I'll finally be full.
Okay, Phoebe, let's start with grapes.
Jam, 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 jam. Delicious.
Pear.
Jam, 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 jam. Totally yummy. And can I have one more piece of fruit?
Yes, Phoebe, you choose.
Banana.
Okay, Phoebe, here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Delicious banana. Fizzy, the rest of the food is for you. I'm finally full. Wait a minute. We invited 3-Eye, and we don't have much food left. Can we cook something else for him?
Of course, Fizzy. And do you want to give him the rest of this fruit?
Yes, I'm happy to share my food with him.
Okay, we'll save this food for 3-Eye. We also still have crab, lobster, and even a shrimp for him.
Oh, that's good because 3-Eye loves seafood. And he also loves chicken. Can you make a chicken for him?
Yes, I can, Fizzy. Let's put the chicken on here and cook it.
Do I smell chicken? I love chicken.
I'm just gonna take it. Wait a minute, 3-Eye.
Yes?
You were invited to this barbecue because Fizzy and Phoebe want to share food with you.
Share with me? But I just took Phoebe's peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
That's right. They're trying to teach you that taking things from people is not nice at all. You need to share.
Oh, well, I never really thought about it. That's so nice of them to share.
It is nice of them to share, and because they're sharing, you get a chicken.
Yum, 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 yum. Hum, yum, 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 yum. That was so yummy.
And 3i,
Yes?
they saved all of this food for you.
They are so good at sharing. Starfruit? Oh, wow, 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 wow. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, it's delicious.
There's also a pear.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. Oh, so good.
Grapes.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, that was so good.
They even saved a crab for you.
Fun fact about 3i. I can eat the shell. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. All done with that.
All right, 3i, here's a shrimp.
Hum, 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 hum. Yum, yum. So good.
And there's even lobster for you.
Oh, delicious lobster. Hum, 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 hum. Hum, 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 hum. That was so good, everybody. Oh, you're so nice. I think maybe sharing is a really, really good idea. Thank you, Fizzy and Phoebe, for sharing. You're welcome, 3i. It actually feels really good to share. Yeah, and it's a good way to make friends. We hope you enjoyed watching. And we hope you have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.